Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to today's video. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. And also, if you are new here, you are watching or you just subscribe, please share the video and make sure you watch the video to the end. So, in today's video, uh, it's going to be the first lesson. As I said earlier in my last video, I introduced a class whereby I said we will start learning housekeeping, and I'm have everything ready, and make sure also you are ready for this day or for this lesson, and make sure you have a pen and a notebook so that you can note down some of the important points that I'm going to give you today. And when we talk about housekeeping is very wide, and also it's a heart of every facility. People usually think that housekeeping is just a matter of wiping your desk and just mopping the floor and you get out of the office. But that's very wrong because housekeeping has a lot of things inside. And those are the things that we are going to learn today or as from today, because this is the first lesson, and there are other lessons that are coming, and just be ready to learn. Before we start, I would like to say that housekeeping, uh, it doesn't mean that must learn the skills for you to maybe get a job or uh, get employed so that you can work as an housekeeper. But it is something, or it is a skills that you should have on your day to day life, because even at your home, without cleanliness, nothing, you will not be happy about your environment. That's why we talk about housekeeping as the basic skills that everybody has to have in life. But when we enter into professionalism, housekeeping is one of the, I can say, lucrative skills that you should have, because when you have these skills, you will not go to bed hungry, because as you know, in day-to-day life, there are a lot of buildings that are being built daily. There are a lot of hotels that are being constructed. Those hotels need workers. Those facilities need housekeepers. That's why a housekeeper is someone who is very important, and we should all be respecting housekeepers, because they are the one who are making our environment very clean. And without them, we would be living in a very dirty environment, not conducive for our health, and also uh, not conducive for everything. So without wasting much time, we are going to start learning, and make sure you have your pen and paper or notebook ready so that you can take some notes. And at the end of this lesson, housekeeping, you should be able to you should, at the end of this lesson, you should be able to know the meaning of housekeeping, and also you should be able to define or to tell the difference between housekeeping and cleaning. Another important thing that you should be able to learn or to know after the end of this lesson is the importance of housekeeping, and also your work as a housekeeper or your job description as a housekeeper. Also, you should be able to tell the working areas and departments of housekeeping, and where or actually where you are working, and then the types of housekeeping and also principles of housekeeping. So this topic is actually divided into two. There's a theory part and there's a practical part. So we are going to start with the theory part. Now, housekeeping, and we start with the introduction. We say housekeeping is a symbol, in simple term, means maintaining a house on a daily or long-term basis, or looking after its cleanliness, tidiness, upkeep, and smooth running. Uh, and smooth running. When you keep your house clean and well maintained, you will also like to make it as beautiful as possible. Hope I'm not too fast. I'm saying housekeeping in simple terms means maintaining a house on a daily or long term basis, or looking after its cleanliness, tidiness, upkeep, and smooth running. When you keep your house clean and well maintained, you will also like to make it as beautiful as possible. And you should also ask yourself, is everything in your house is everything in my house in usable condition? If the answer is no, why? And make sure that none of the objects are broken and fabrics are not torn in your house or in your place of work, or anywhere you are in charge of. You should also make sure that taps and geysers, electric wiring, bulbs, tubes, fans, plug points are in good working conditions. In other words, we may also say that housekeeping is a process of keeping place clean, beautiful, and well maintained, so that it looks and feels pleasant and inviting to all, either living, visiting, or working there. So those two are the definitions of housekeeping. What is housekeeping? Now, uh, we go to what's the difference between cleaning and housekeeping? Uh, to define the difference between housekeeping and cleaning, we are going to use two terms, which are the cleaners and housekeepers. Cleaners focuses primarily on cleaning and providing services on a regular or one-time basis. Cleaners focuses primarily on cleaning and provide services on a regular on one-time basis. Uh, Housekeepers are responsible for a wide range of tasks, including cleaning, cooking, household management. Housekeepers are responsible for a wide range of tasks, including cleaning, working, no, sorry, cleaning, cooking, and household management. Uh, that is the difference between cleaners or cleaning and housekeepers or housekeeping. Cleaners are the one who do the job on a regular basis or one time, and however, and also the housekeeping or housekeepers are responsible for a wide range of tasks, which include cooking and also cleaning and household management. We go to importance of housekeeping. What's the importance of housekeeping? Number one, uh, a good housekeeping ensures smooth functioning to all gadgets. Housekeeping helps us stay healthy because when the environment is clean, uh, we uh, we are actually healthy. Housekeeping makes our surrounding more pleasant. Housekeeping also helps in removing allergens and germs. Housekeeping helps to prevent illness and promote wellness. Those are the importance of housekeeping. Uh, Another sub topic or subunit is the job description of a cleaner or housekeeper. Uh, Performs Housekeepers and cleaners perform various functions such as dusting, sweeping, vacuuming, and also mopping, cleaning ceilings and restrooms. Also, those are the functions or actually the job description. You as a cleaner or housekeeper, those that I just stated are I, your duties, like your responsibilities. Then we also come to the working areas and departments of housekeeping staff in a hotel. The working areas and departments of housekeeping staff in a hotel. These are actually basically the areas that you as a housekeeper or a cleaner, you work in a hotel. Place number one is public areas such as lobby and lift. It's your duty to make sure that the lobby and lifts are clean. Also, sales and admin offices, banquet and conference halls, guest rooms, bathrooms, laundry area. We have the uniform, linen or tailor room, housekeeping stores, parking, garden, furniture and furnishes. Those are the areas that you work as a cleaner or housekeeper. And we also have to look at types of housekeeping. So we have two types of housekeeping. That is, number one is local or domestic housekeeping. And local or domestic housekeeping refers to housekeeping or maintenance in the house by the owner of the house. That is, in your house, the chores and activities that you do in office to make sure the area is clean, your bedroom is clean, or the entire house is clean. That is domestic or local housekeeping. We also have institutional housekeeping. In an institutional housekeeping is applies to housekeeping maintenance in a commercial facilities like in halls and hotels. Those are the institutional housekeeping. And also we have uh, this it usually covers areas like guest rooms, hallways, corridors, lobby, public areas, offices, stairways, and any other open space that you are assigned to clean. And also, finally, or the last but not the least, we look at the principles of housekeeping. What are the principles of housekeeping? First of all, the term principle is like a set rule or the procedures that you are supposed to follow for you to make your work very easy and also very presentable. For example, when you enter a room, you want to clean. You don't just enter and start cleaning. Where do you start from? And before you even start, what do you have? So principles are like set rules or guidelines. So and number one is set in order. That means you have your tools ready. If you want to clean an office or a room, you should have, first of all, you should have your water in a bucket, and also you should have the dusting bucket and also the mop bucket plus the mop. Once you enter into the room, where do you start from? Start by dusting. You start by dusting the room, removing dust, wiping desks, chairs, furnitures, everything. If the windows, everywhere, you make sure they are clean. Now you come to flow. You start from the farthest corner towards the door. You cannot start cleaning from the door towards inside. You start from the farthest corner towards the door as you go out. Uh, that is, those are the principles of housekeeping. So, ladies and gentlemen, uh, that is all for today. That was the first lesson, and on my our next lesson, we'll learn about tools and equipment used in housekeeping. We still have a lot of things to learn here. After theory, we will go to practical, where I will be showing you how to clean every space. If you find this video useful to you, please like the video. Also subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed. And let me see you in the next video. Bye bye. Enjoy your time.